Whenever you make a new video, all you want to do is upload it. So you click on public. Do you know that that is wrong? And that's the reason why you are getting low views. In this video, I want to guide you on the proper way to do it so that you stop getting low views, low watch hours, and low subscribers whenever you upload your video, and you start getting the kind of views that you want to get when you put so much hard work in your video and you upload it. This is the mistake you keep making, and we're going to correct it in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and let's dive right into the video. Whenever you upload a video, don't choose public. When you are trying to upload, when you get to the last stage, you are going to see different options. I know what you normally do is you click on public. The first thing you do is click on public, then your video uploads on YouTube and it's out there for the public and your audience to see, right? The first thing you're going to do is you are going to stop choosing public. Now, this is the reason why. When you upload a video, it is advisable and it's the best thing to allow YouTube to be able to work on that video. When I say work on the video, what do I mean? Allow the video to enter the algorithm. YouTube should know where to position this video, who to show this video, what to do about this video. If you just go ahead always to put public on your video, YouTube has no idea about what your video is all about. It will just publish it. It has not sat in the algorithm. It doesn't know the audience to give your video. It doesn't know who wants to see your video, so it will just put it out there. And this is why your video is not strategic enough to give you the kind of views that will make you want to keep uploading on YouTube. Because let's all be honest, like what will make you to be consistent? Because I know almost all the creators, they be consistent, keep posting, keep posting. But the only thing that will make you to keep posting is when you see results. And this is what I want to help you to be able to see in your videos. I want you to be able to see results. If you check your analytics and your algorithm, your YouTube studio, you will see that there is no YouTube recommendation in your videos. And this is why, because YouTube doesn't understand your video yet, and YouTube recommendation is very important. Whenever you search, when you search like a video, a something on YouTube, like how to bake cake, how to grow on YouTube, blah blah blah, and examples like that, you are going to see videos that will come up. Videos, different videos from different creators that is going to come up on that particular search, and you'll be wondering why is YouTube not recommending my videos? Why is it that when people search for this same thing that I did, this same video that I have, my own is not up there? It is because YouTube doesn't understand where to put your videos, and it is your fault because you keep putting your videos on publish instead of allowing it to sit in the YouTube algorithm. YouTube recommendation will only happen if YouTube has studied and understand your video. It cannot recommend it to your subscribers and can recommend it to new audience that wants the kind of video that you upload. So if this video has not sat in the YouTube system, it's not going to be able to recommend it to people. YouTube have gone as far as introducing AI. There are some videos you will see on YouTube, and YouTube have studied it to the extent that the AI system is going to give you a breakdown of what that video is all about. This is how well YouTube wants to be able to study your video so they can push it out. This thing is not trial luck error. Like, it's not all about posting and posting. You can just be posting and posting and posting the wrong way or doing the wrong things and be expecting right result. This is 2025. We need to do better. So if you are fond of uploading your videos and immediately you are pushing it out, pushing content out, and you are not seeing views, calm down, breathe, take a step back, and now figure out what you are doing wrong. Your title, hashtag, descriptions, all those things are things that help YouTube. That's why when you're uploading a video, YouTube asks for all those things. And if you don't know the proper way to upload on YouTube, please just check in my channel. I have a video of how to probably upload on YouTube, because I see some of you are still using that plus sign in your YouTube app to upload, which is wrong. What is the right step to do after uploading your video. By the time you have put in your title, your description, your thumbnail, if you are eligible for monetization, you have turned on monetization, you have added your end screen, you have added cards, video has passed all those checks, and the last thing that you are going to do is to publish. Now let's discuss all the options you have. We have public. Anyone can search for and view. Immediately you upload a video, it is not advisable that anyone can search for your video and view it. Members only. Everyone can find your videos, but only your members can watch it. This is eligible for people that are monetized, only when you have a monetized channel, and on your monetized channel you also have membership exclusive content for members, and the rest of your subscribers, everybody else cannot watch it. They can only see it, but they can't be able to click on it and watch it. Only anyone that has the link can view it. How it works is that when you upload a video and you put it on unlisted, it is on YouTube, but everybody cannot see it except you have a link, except I send you the link of the video, then you can view the video, but every other person cannot see it. And it's advisable, like, it's not, this is also a very good way to upload your video. Just keep it on unlisted for 24 hours. I recommend you put it on 24 hours. Then when you put on 24 hours, because it's only you and YouTube that can see the video, except you give somebody the link, and I don't advise you give somebody the link of that video. So just you and YouTube can see that video at that point, and after 24 hours you can now put it on public. But the downside to unlisted is that you have to come back to be the one to move it to public. It's not automatically going to be public by itself. The next option we have is private. For private, only people you choose can view it. This one we don't really have any business with this. So we are going to move to the next place, and the important place I want you to take note is schedule. When you click on schedule, there are two options for schedule. You have from private to public, and you also have from membership to public. So you are going to click on like from the private to public. So when you put your video on, when you schedule your video, nobody can view it. It is unlike unlisted that if you give someone link they can view. Nobody can view this video except YouTube, that will be able to sit down and work on this video and know where to place your video in the algorithm. So when you put your video on schedule, it is scheduled, and also you can be able to put the time and the date you want this video to come up. This is the reason why I like schedule, because with schedule you can be able to put your video in its prime time, when your audience are very much active, and you know that when you upload at that time they are going to watch the video, they are going to eat up the video for you. So that's why it's very good to use this schedule. So you go check when your audience are very active, so you don't be uploading your video by 11 p.m and your audience are active by 5 p.m, or they're active by 3 p.m. Now the next question that'll be on your mind is that when I schedule my videos, do I have to tell YouTube, okay, it is time for you to, or do I have to on my data, or tell YouTube that, oh, it's time for you to show my audience? The answer is no. And this is why I told you that scheduling have an upper hand than unlisting, because if you unlist your video, you have to go back to put it on publish after 24 hours. But when you schedule your video, automatically YouTube is going to upload the video whether your phone is dead. Your video is going to go up. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to choose the dates and the time that you want to upload.
When you want to upload your videos, these are all the options that you are going to see. Then you click on schedule. You see from private to public, you click on the date. Now this is the calendar. You can publish any video to 2026. The calendar is here. You can click on the dates you want, then you now go to the time. This is the hour and the minute. For the hour time, you just roll the clock how you want it, whatever time you want. Then you move it to the minute side. The highlighted one is the one you are picking at that point. Then you also have the option of AM and PM. Make sure you know what you are putting specifically, if it is in AM and PM. Also, we also have Premiere. Premiere is just an advertisement of your video, just trying to tell your audience, like a teaser that I'll post this video at this particular time, and you guys should know this is the topic and this is what this video is going to look alike, so people can set their time and watch it.
That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment in the comment section. If you have any question, make sure you leave it in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed and bye for now.